set. Wow. Okay, ready? Okay. Now, if people watch this on YouTube later, I'm going to give this disclaimer now on the big camera. One of the drills in this is going to be aimed at my phone and not at the big camera, which means that it might look a little bit weird, okay? So, if you're doing that later, forgive me, okay? But this is for the live people who are doing this at home and people who watch on Facebook, okay? Ready? We're going to do a quick warm-up, not too much because I'm exhausted from the last session, okay? But we'll do a quick warm-up for you dragons, okay? So we'll do the controls as well while we're in it, okay? So we're going to go for a little jog and do arm shakes today. Ready? So while you jog, keep your feet moving. We're going to go hands down, like that. You can wiggle your fingers, like casting a spell, magic, okay? And hands forwards, like a zombie. Hands up, Superman. Hands out, like you're going to fly. Big flaps, okay? Ready, hands down, and keep jogging. You got to keep your feet moving no matter what. Hands out, hands up, hands forwards, up, forwards. Oh, if you kept up with that, well done. Hands out, hands forwards, hands out, hands down, hands on your head. Keep jogging. Ready? Okay. What I'm going to do, as I say, we'll do the controls, just so you remember what they all are, but I'm going to do the advanced ones for any higher grade dragons doing this. Okay, so if you know them, do them. If you get to one you're not sure about, you can see me, copy. Okay, ready, lock it up. Nice. Hands in, feet in, sitting nicely. We know this. And then back up to that jog. Ready, hands and feet. That's that push-up position. And then back up. Jog, 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 jog. Ready, set. Very good. Jog, 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 jog. Now, ready for the one we do for our kicking. Guard. And then back to the jog. Ready. And then the one we do for our blocks. Chummy. Looking strong. Jog, 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 jog. Okay. Now I'm going to start mixing those up. We're going to throw them in. We're going to do about 15 of these. So keep up. Okay, do your best. Ready? Hands and feet. Bam. And then back up. Jog, 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 jog. Chummy. Pow. Straight into guard. Ready for kicks. Jog, 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 jog. Ready? Set. Guard. Lock it up. Sitting nice. And back up. Jog, 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 jog. Ready. Guard. Set. Jumpy. Jump, 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 jump. Guard. Jump, 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 jump. Ready. Hands and feet. Do a push-up while you're there. And then back up. Jump, 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 jump. Ready. Guard. Lock it up. Hands and feet. Up into set. And guard to finish. I had to think about that one. And then back up. If you do that at home, well done. Keep it up. Okay. First little drill. Okay. Is going to go side to sides and forwards and backs. And we're going to do what's called touchdown. Okay, this one's easy peasy. Okay, on your space. Okay, I can say front, and you can come forwards a little bit, take a little step, touch the ground. Okay, if I say back, you're going to go backwards and turn and touch behind you. If I say side, actually I'm going to say sides, plural. Okay, you can touch both sides. One side, other side. See, because of the mirror effect, I can't do left and right. And if I say middle, you're just going to touch down exactly where you are. Okay, so this is all about listening, okay, and then essentially doing what you're told. Okay, so you got front, back, middle, and then sides. You've got to do both, left and right. Okay, one side then other side. Okay, do your best. Okay, Now you don't need to jog for this, but if you want to keep moving a little bit or wiggle about, absolutely fine. Okay, ready, and sides, and then back to that middle. There we go, ready, middle, and back, and front, and back, and middle, and sides, front, sides, and then back there to centre. Okay, try and keep moving. I do quite like that jog in between. Ready, back, front, back, middle, sides. There we are. Back to that jog, 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 jog. And we'll do one more step. Ready, middle, front, back, sides, sides. Make you work hard. Middle, front, back. Gotta be fast. Alright. Alright. The drill that I was going to do today. No, don't do that again. It's bad. Commented on. Oh, fabulous. Right. Stupid thing. So yeah, the drill I want to do, I'm going to use the danger sticks. Okay. Now, this is I saw this on as an idea suggestion on one of these like crafty pages. If you're doing Zoom videos, I can't remember. I think it was just sort of general sports. So what I'm going to do is I've got my danger stick, which other people know as a pool noodle. Okay, but I'm going to do that. Okay, that represents something coming over your head. Now again, if you're watching this on YouTube from the big camera, it's just going to look like I'm waving a... It's just like I'm doing this at you. Okay, so do forgive me for that, but I will be telling you what it is as we go. So if you do this from YouTube, go with it, it'll look a bit weird. Okay, but people on the live, it's here, over the top, and that is for a duck. So you're gonna, from your guidance, you're gonna dip down and go under it. If I do this and you can hear it, okay, that means you're gonna jump it, okay? And then I'll add a few bits in a minute, okay? So, if, I'm gonna stand just so you can see what I mean, when it goes high, like that, and you see it go across the top of the screen, okay, I want it to be in your guarding stance, and you're gonna go, and you're gonna dip. Or you can do the touchdown drill we've just done, okay? If you see and hear it go across the floor, like that, you're gonna jump. And you're gonna pick your legs up if you can, and then we're gonna add some bits, okay? But in between, I want your hands up in your guard, and you're gonna move around a little bit, move your feet, but I want hands up, and you're gonna be looking tough and strong and ready, okay? So, I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna get in the right spot, back there, ready? So I hope you're moving around, and duck. And then keep those hands up, and duck. And then hands up, and jump. And then hands up, and jump. Hope you went over the top of it. Yeah, but those two are easy peasy. We do those a lot. Okay, so we need to add stuff in really quickly for you guys. Okay, so you're gonna have your hands up. I'm also gonna do dodge. Okay, so as well as this, and you're gonna duck under it, and this, where you can jump over it, if you're doing this at home. I'm also gonna go like that, and go, yeah, like a stab. Okay? And all I want you guys to do, if you're doing this at home, is you're gonna have your hands up, okay, and you're gonna shuffle out the way when I do the stab, and then when it goes away, you come back again, okay? And then you're just getting out of the way of that, okay? I'm gonna add that in. So hands up, move around a little bit, make sure you're bobbing and weaving or bouncing, okay? Ready, and duck. Go underneath, dip your head. Jump. Jump over the top. Dodge. Go left or right, doesn't matter which way you go, but stay out of the way. Ready, hands up, and duck. Jump. Duck. Jump. Dodge. And dodge. And good. Ready, duck. Dodge. Jump. Excellent. Right, and then I'll add one more in. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shout kick, and I'm going to snap the tube. Okay, I'm going to go like that. Make some noise. Okay. While I'm banging the stick, that's when you've got to shoot your kick. You've got to be fast. Because if you're not doing the kick while I'm doing that, okay, you might be a little bit too slow, and then something else might be on its way. Okay, so I don't want you to be kicking while I'm pretending to be hitting your head. Okay, so you've got to be fast. Okay, fast. Okay, so hands up. We're going from slow and then we'll speed up. Ready, duck. So you go underneath. Jump over the top. Dodge, move out to the side. And then kick. Good. Ready, hands up. A little bit faster. Ready, jump. And jump. And duck. And dodge. Kick. Ready, kick. Ready, kick. And duck. Jump. Dodge. And one more. Big shout at home. Kick. Very good.